In today's bustling digital landscape, have you ever stopped to wonder what exactly is digital marketing? I'm Torie Mathis, marketing agency CEO, digital marketing coach at the Smart Arsenal, and early adopter, user, and teacher of digital marketing. And in less than 10 minutes, I am going to fill you in on the ins and outs of digital marketing. Well, let's dive right into it. At its core, digital marketing is the art and science of promoting products or brands through the wonders of digital media. Think of it as the virtual billboard, the modern day radio jingle, or the digital counterpart to those flyers you once found in your mailbox. And thanks to the marvels of internet technologies, these promotions find their ways to your computer screens, your smartphones, even your smartwatches. But here is the real magic. Digital marketing isn't just about bombarding folks with flashy ads. You'll understand why in a second. It's a dynamic dance that lets you converse with your customers in real time. With just a click, a simple view can instantly transform into a valued customer. And that, dear entrepreneur, is the potent promise of the digital age. So the next time you see an online ad or receive a promotional email, know that there's an intricate world of strategy and connection behind it, all geared towards making our interactions richer and more meaningful. And you too can do this with your digital marketing. So why is everybody buzzing about digital marketing? Let's talk about some of the key benefits of digital marketing versus traditional marketing. And the first is brand awareness. You know those moments when you instantly recognize a jingle or a logo, even if it's just from the corner of your eye? That is the power of brand awareness. And digital marketing empowers even the quaintest local shop to shine its identity brightly in this online galaxy, ensuring that when people scroll, they stop, they recognize, and they remember. Now, it also is great for website traffic. Consider websites online storefronts. And just as you would want foot traffic to your physical store, you desire the digital crowd to visit your website. Which is a sprinkle of digital magic. Businesses can guide potential customers right to their digital doorstep, ensuring their products and stories are seen and heard. Next is sales conversion. We have all been there. Window shopping online with no attention to buy, and then bam! You're checking out with a cart full. Digital marketing excels in the alchemy of turning casual browsers into proud purchasers. And with the right strategies, it ensures that a virtual just looking can turn into a tangible just bought. And it also gives you more bang for your buck. Remember those pricey billboards and TV slots? Well, the digital realm provides a playground where even small budgets can have big impacts. Often, digital marketing proves to be more economical, ensuring that businesses get the most out of their investment, reaching wider audiences without burning a hole in their pocket. Digital marketing allows you to craft the perfect digital recipe. Have you ever wondered why that online ad seemed to speak directly to you, or why that blog post you stumbled on felt like it was written just for you? Dive into the digital marketing kitchen with me and let's unravel the secret ingredients behind this perfect tailored online experience. Targeting the right audience. Imagine trying to sell ice at the North Pole. It sounds absurd, right? Well, in the world of digital marketing, the difference between success and obscurity often lies in knowing precisely whom to serve. And by understanding potential customers, be it their age, what they love, what they binge watch on the weekends, or even midnight snack habits, businesses can craft campaigns that resonate. Think of it as setting up that coffee chat with your ideal customer, understanding their likes, their quirks, and their needs, and then designing a product or service just for them. You can speak their language. Once businesses have deciphered their audience's unique code, the next step is to converse with them in a language that they love. Tailored content is all about forging that personal connection, kind of like penning a heartfelt letter to a dear friend. And whether it's a video that tugs at heartstrings, an infographic that simplifies complex, or a blog post that feels like a cozy fireside chat, the magic lies in creating content that feels genuine, relevant, and oh so you. And trust me, when content is tailored, it doesn't just get viewed, it gets cherished, and it can turn into sales. So let's look at some of the key digital marketing channels. Ever find yourself wondering how the digital world seems to know you so well? Whether it's tempting shoe ads right after a long day or a newsletter from your favorite bookstore, there's a science and an art behind every digital interaction. Let's take a whirlwind tour of the digital highways and byways that your business can use to attract your ideal customer. First, social media. In the grand square of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, businesses aren't just faceless entities. They are live participants chatting, sharing, and connecting. For instance, ever seen a sneak peek of how your favorite cafe crafts that perfect latte, or flash sale that on that handbag that you've been eyeing? Well, that is social media magic at play. Next is SEO, or search engine optimization. And this is like a compass guiding you to your online destination. By tweaking website content, meta tags, and the nifty backlinks, brands ensure that they pop up when customers are searching for something relevant. Imagine typing in best brownies near me and finding a local bakery's website right at the top. That is SEO doing its delightful dance. Next is pay-per-click advertising. Think of pay-per-click ads as the billboards on the digital freeway. They shine bright when you are searching for specific keywords, nudging you to take a look. Those Google ads that prompt you to try out a new fitness class or explore the next latest tech gadget, that is PPC, ensuring brands have their moment in the spotlight. Next is email marketing, the age-old charm of receiving letters, albeit in digital form. Email marketing is all about dropping into your inbox with updates, tales, and offers. An email from your favorite spa offering a midweek relaxation deal? Now that is a digital treat. Next is affiliate marketing, the digital word of mouth. Sometimes the best recommendations come from friends or from people we trust, and affiliate marketing is just that, but on the digital landscape. Brands team up with individuals or other entities to give their products a shout out. For example, when a local fashion influencer raves about a substantial brand and you're tempted to try it out, that is the beauty of affiliate ties. Next is content marketing. In the vast ocean of the internet, content marketing is all about casting the right net to catch interested fish. It's not just about selling, but telling stories, sharing insights, and adding value. Stumbling upon a blog that breaks down the mystery behind cold brew coffee or an infographic explaining the latest fashion trends. It's content crafted with care for an audience who craves it. So, what a journey it has been from understanding the ins and outs of digital marketing to decoding the strategies that can help your business shine. We have navigated the bustling byways of the digital realm together. But at its core, remember that digital marketing isn't just a business tool. It is a way for businesses to connect with communities, offering more than just products. It's about offering solutions to a hungry audience ready to find you online. Now, here is the golden question. Where do I begin in this vast digital landscape? Well, do not fret. I guarantee the next minute will be of extreme value. I have got just the ticket for you. Dive into my Smart Marketing quiz. Within minutes, you will receive tailored recommendations guiding you on where to kickstart your journey. Aim for where your efforts truly shine and get the maximum bang for your buck. Ready to embark on your customized path in the digital world and set sail toward effective, efficient, and exciting marketing adventures? Take the quiz today. But dear reader, before we sign off, here is a golden nugget to cherish. The secret sauce to acing digital marketing isn't just in hidden jargons or complex algorithms. It's about genuine understanding, heartfelt value, and of course, unwavering consistency. So to all the entrepreneur heroes out there ready to embark on this digital journey, here's to connecting, growing, and sparkling in the vast online tapestry. And remember, you don't need crazy tech skills, buckets of cash, or a dedicated staff to market your business. In fact, you don't even need a lot of time. What you need is to be smart, and digital marketing is smart for your business. If you enjoyed this video, click right here to subscribe and click here to watch another valuable video.